Hello you guys, today I will be doing a Forever 21 back to school haul. Now some of these items you probably cannot wear to school, but I think a majority of them you can, as long as you pair them with like some high-waist jeans so that it covers your belly button. So starting with this shirt, this is a crop top. It's in a size small and I think it looks pretty cute with some jeans, and like if you had a windbreaker you can pair it up with that, and I think overall it's school appropriate and it's really cute. Next is this yellow crop top. It's pretty similar to the white, except it says USA Gear. It looks pretty vintage, that's why I like it, and it's a nice bright yellow. I don't know if you guys can see, you know, because of the lighting, but overall I think you can pair this with pretty much anything like jeans, cargo pants, and once again, you know, you can throw on a jacket and it'll be good to go. So I really love this shirt, you guys. I'm sorry, I just knocked into the wall. I really like this shirt because it reminds me of like vintage polo, where you have like the, I don't know what this is called, you have like the neck, but not only do you have that, but it zips up, and like that is so awesome. Like if you don't want to show too much chest, you can zip it up, and if you do want to show like your necklace, then you can zip it down. And the sleeves bunch up, which I like, and they even have like words on the sleeves, and it just says NYUS, and it says Sail Team. This shirt is so cute, you guys. Oh my god, it looks so vintage. Like I cut it myself or I got it from the thrift. Next is this white long sleeve top, and you guys need to go get this top ASAP. It has two zips and you can zip it all the way down or you can zip it all the way up, but I think the cutest way is just zipping it in the middle, and the material is really nice, and this shirt would literally look good with any bottom, like sweatpants, jeans, anything. And for school you can just, you know, like zip it all the way or like zip it down a little bit, and yeah, like this is really cute. I got this in white and orange, so I'm gonna try on the other colors for you guys. If you don't get any shirt from this haul, at least get this shirt, especially if you're brown skin. This shirt will make you look good. I'm not gonna lie, this is a bodysuit and it makes your boobs look really good, and it cuts off on the side. This is adorable. I would definitely recommend this. You can definitely turn into a club outfit if you just add some really tight jeans or some mom jeans and some heels. This is in a size small. Definitely cannot wear this to school. Okay, unless you wear a jacket, which is what I used to do all the time. I used to wear stuff like this, and I used to just have like a jacket. And when the person who did dress code was close, zip zip. Yeah, this is just a crop top, and I think it's pretty cute to wear with jeans. If you have no boobs like me, then this would be really cute on you. And I got this in a size small, and I did get it in white. So I'm gonna try on the white for you guys. It's the white, and I really like this one more than the gray because, you know, it goes with everything. Gray is kind of like a sad color, but this is white, and you can wear this with black. You can wear this with jeans, and yeah. This is also in a size small. The only thing I'll say is that this part bothers me because if you guys can see, probably not because my ring light is too bright. It's just kind of weird, so yeah. This is the white, and my necklace, you guys, is also from Forever 21, and I got this on clearance when they had extra 40% off, so it was like literally $1.70 something. This is one of the last shirts. These are one of my favorites. I got this shirt in black. It's a size small, and it ties. There's not much to it, but I just like that it's cardigan material. I don't know if you guys can see. It's lined, and it's just super soft, and it's a really cute casual black top, and you can pair it with pretty much any type of jeans or sweatpants maybe. So this is the shirt in purple, and I'm really sad because when I was fitting it on, I like ripped it when I took the tag off, and once you take the tag off of Forever 21 things, you cannot return it. So I'm gonna try to have that fixed, but this is the top in purple and it's like so girly. I love it. I don't know which one I like better, the black or the purple. That was my Forever 21 / back to school haul, and I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what you think of the items I purchased.